Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing the newest Born Pretty Hema-free Semi-Jelly Gel Polish. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the Born Pretty Semi-Jelly Gel. It comes with 11 different shades in a 15 ml bottle, so it is bigger than their normal bottle and it's a newest bottle design. I will be doing the swatching. So first I'm gonna start with the shade number 1. So first make sure to shake up the bottle before using it. Apply first coat and then cure. And this is the first coat. Next is I'm gonna apply second coat and then cure. And this is the second coat of shade number 1. Next, I'm gonna do the semi-jelly gel shade number 2. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like, the first coat. Next is apply the second coat and then cure for 60 seconds. This is the second coat. Next is the semi-jelly gel shade number 3. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the first coat. Next, apply second coat and cure again for 60 seconds. And this is the second coat of the semi-jelly gel shade number 3. Next is the semi-jelly gel shade number 4. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the shade number 4 first coat. Next, I'm gonna apply the second coat and cure for 60 seconds and see the difference. So this is the second coat of shade number 4. Next is the semi-jelly gel shade number 5. First, apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And apply up to third coat. This is the first coat of shade number 5. Apply second coat of shade number 5 and then cure for 60 seconds. And this is the second coat of shade number 5. Next is shade number 6, semi-jelly gel shade number 6. First, apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the first coat. Next, apply second coat of shade number 6. And this is the shade number 6 second coat. Next is the semi-jelly gel shade number 7. So apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the shade number 7 first coat. Next, apply second coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the shade number 7 second coat. Next is the semi-jelly gel shade number 8. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. This is the first coat of semi-jelly gel shade number 8. Now apply second coat and cure again for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like, the second coat of shade number 8. Next is the semi-jelly gel shade number 9. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the first coat of shade number 9. Next, apply second coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like, the shade number 9, second coat. Next is the Semi Jelly Gel, shade number 10. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. This is the first coat of Semi Jelly Gel. And then apply second coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is the second coat looks like of the shade number 10 Semi Jelly Gel. Next is the Semi Jelly Gel shade number 11. Apply first coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like. First coat. Next, apply second coat and cure for 60 seconds. And this is what the second coat looks like. And I also added a third coat, and this is what it looks like of each colors. It's so pretty. And now I'm gonna try it on my nails. First, apply base gel. I will be using my Super Base Gel. This base gel, you can also use it for the soft gel nail extension. By applying base gel, it can make the polish last longer. Cure for 60 seconds. It is important to fully shake up the gel polish because it can make the gel polish color balance. Apply first layer of Born Pretty Semi Jelly Gel Polish in all the nails. Born Pretty just released a new Jelly Gel Hema-free gel polish. Comes with 37 different colors. They have the Milky Jelly Gel with 13 different shades, the Semi Jelly Gel with 11 different shades, Ice Jelly Gel with 10 shades, and Glitter Jelly Gel comes in 8 shades, so it all in 15 ml bottle. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply second coat and then cure for 60 seconds. I really love this gel polish. It is amazing how the color transform depends on how many coats you apply. It gives you control on how you wanted it from light to dark. Now I'm applying Born Pretty nail glue because I want to put the 3D flower nail decoration. So some of you are wondering what is Hema-free. Hema-free gel polish They do not include the tiny hema molecules that can enter the skin and cause allergies. Instead, they may contain larger molecules that do not penetrate the skin and are not reactivate under the UV or LED light. So if you are allergic to the regular gel polish, you can use the Hema-free gel polish. So I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 or ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at Born Pretty official store. And Born Pretty prepared something special for you at their official store from February 8 to February 14. They start the Valentine's Day event and offer you a 20% off site-wide sale. Use the code VD2024. I will leave it down below on my description box, so you make sure you guys check it out. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply super top coat and then cure again for 60 seconds. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.